Here is a quick tutorial on dictation. Practice will help you get better. Next. I am now using speech recognition to dictate to the computer. Period. Talking to the computer is easier than using the keyboard. Period. Next. I can dictate faster than I can type. Exclamation mark. I simply need to speak the words out loud, and the computer will enter the text I said. Period. Is it really this easy? Question mark. Next. I can now say anything. Correct cannot. 3. Okay. Next. That I want to say. Period. Correct send. Say. 1. Okay. This is just a quick way to show you how you can practice using dictation. I think it's a great assistive technology.